173% more homes were listed on MLS in January 2023 compared to last month, December 2022. Let's go. Hello and welcome to my first market update for 2023. As you may know, we will briefly analyze today's real estate market and a brief forecast for the near future. So watch this video in full and share with your friends. All right, so we've had 21% less homes listed on the MLS compared to last year, January 2022. However, compared to last month, December 2022, we've had 173% more homes listed on MLS. Now, let me tell you the two reasons that I believe are the most important ones. Number one, a lot of homeowners, especially investors, are unable to continue paying their mortgages for their investment properties. A lot of homes that me and my clients go to purchase and view, we see it's either vacant or it's tenanted and the owner needs 2-month notice on the offers. That shows that these are mostly the investment properties. Number two theory that I have is a lot of sellers are selling their smaller property in order to buy something bigger. I will explain further in the video that why this is a great idea in fact. As for the demand or the number of transactions, in January 2023, we've had 55% less transactions compared to last year, and compared to last month, we've had only 21% decrease in the number of transactions. As for the number of homes on the market for buyers to choose from, compared to last year, we have an increase of 32%. The reason is the demand has gone down further compared to supply, so we have more homes on the market compared to same time last year. But compared to last month, we only have 1.3% more homes on the market. Remember, I said 173% increase in supply, but also the demand has slowed down going down, which means that this is the time that the buyers seem to be coming back to the market. As you may have heard, the federal government has no further plans of increasing the interest rates. And if you have been paying attention to my previous videos, I believe the biggest driver of the demand and the price downward has been the increase in interest rates. Now that the pressure has been lifted and buyers and sellers cumulatively believe that the market is going to be flat for a small period of time, it's going to go up soon. So now for buyers and sellers, if you are looking to buy, now is the time. If you're looking to sell and you have no plans of buying again, it's a bad idea unless you have to. If you're selling and you're planning on purchasing a bigger property, great idea. However, this is a time-sensitive matter because imagine you're selling in a slow market, and by the time that you're buying, if we have switched to a seller's market, you're selling in a bad time and you're buying in a bad time. So it's important for you to work with the right realtor, have the right strategy, sell quick at the right price or even slightly below the right price, because the plan is to win big on the buying side. All right, as for the price, you may think that the prices have decreased significantly, but it's interesting for me at least that the price has only decreased by 6.6%. I'm comparing January 2023 to January 2022. And compared to last month, it has only dropped by 0.3%. This shows that not only Vancouver real estate market is very much bulletproof, so at any time you buy, even comparing last year, which we had pretty much reaching the peak of the sellers market, which was in March 2022, comparing to now that we've had a solid 9-month drop in the prices, it's only 6.6% drop. Now, compared to last month, it's only 0.3%, meaning that the demand slowing down and the price slowing down, going down, is pretty much at the bottom of it. So again, touching on that point, if you're trying to buy, don't wait. Real estate is not something you can time. If you're looking to time, this is the time, right? We're not like stock market. You don't get a notification in your mailbox or a red carpet to be invited to purchase a property. You have to be alert. You have to understand the signals. You have to be able to see through the lines and read between the lines when I tell you the slowdown has been only 0.3% and the demand has basically is coming back to the market, and the supply has gone up by 173% compared to last month. This is a huge news. Take it seriously. Sales to active listings ratio is a good measure to keep an eye on. Why? This is the best way to compare the number of demands to the number of supply. In other words, the number of transactions to the number of inventory. So now, what this means for you is that right now we're at 13.7. Between 12 and 20% is a balanced market. Below 12% is a buyer's market. Above 20% is a seller's market. At 13.7, we're getting awfully close to the buyer's market on average of all property types across Greater Vancouver. And this is based on the different property types: detached, townhome, and apartment. Now, what this means for you: if you have an apartment, if you have some extra cash in your pocket, if your job has improved recently compared to last time that you bought a property and you can get a bigger mortgage, the best time for you to upsize is today. Because if you look, apartments are closer to a seller's market. Townhomes are closer to a buyer's market. Detached homes are perfectly positioned in a buyer's market. So if you sell your apartment and either buy a townhome or a house, this is the best time you can make the most profit out of this transaction. And keep in mind, this is a very time-sensitive time, as I mentioned, because if you sell today and you're not realistic with the price of your property, it may take you a long time, right? Because buyers are looking for a good deal. So if you sell 2 months down the road, right? And by the time you get the draft, by the time it's your completion, right? You wait way too long and you don't have the right strategy, not the right realtor, not the right advisor, I should say. In that case, by the time you buy a property, it's seller's market all over again. So you sold at a buyer's market, you bought at a seller's market. This is literally the reverse of what you should be doing, and the difference of winning big and losing big could be the difference of 2 weeks' time. So take this time seriously. If you can upsize, now is the time. I cannot stress this enough. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're looking to buy, sell, or invest, I'll be honored to be your trusted realtor. Have a wonderful day.